Thanks for stopping by. All right, so in this video today, I'm going to be working on putting the little rubber feet on my motors and installing them. I'm here to show people, women, students, that even though you don't know the stuff, you can do this. Just wanted to let you know ahead of time. Thank you for your support of Welding Education. Please support us by giving us a like and a subscribe. This helps us out more than anything. If you haven't noticed, I'm trying to fast forward through all the really tedious stuff and talking to you when I figured out something. All right, here we go. Now for the show.
Okay, I'm back. I went to Home Depot and got these. They were $3, so we can see if these are gonna work. We need compressor feet, but I kind of like these because they were clear. And I think they'll do the job just as planned. But yeah, perfect. So they didn't have compressor feet. And I was kind of bummed about it, but I think these will work well. If not, I have another set that might work better that are a little bit wider, but I think these are going to be just fine. They're kind of rubberish, so I guess the big deal is if we really think about it, we don't want our stuff jumping off the table, so we need some sort of vibratory dampener. Yay! So, they said, okay, this one is this one says 5 by 10, and this one says 5 by 16, I think. I'm thoroughly confused, so we'll find one that fits the best. Might be too long. Well, that ain't good. Maybe it comes out now. Okay, so this is what happened. Some of the inserts that I used were the incorrect size, so some of them are, well, one of them was spinning before, so you can see them missing right here, right on this one. And so I need to, oh, and look at that, one more. Good thing I caught these now. I have new ones, and I'm going to put the new ones in, so you can see just it's coming out. Good thing I caught this now. There we go. How to use a different way to do it. Okay, this one's going to be harder. Yay, there we go. Phew. There was some terrifying moments there. Alright, now we gotta put those back in there. Good thing I got some good ones. These are garbage. Oh, that was hot. Okay, let's try this again, my friends. We got 2 new ones. Okay, these look a little bit better. So now we can open it and have fun. Okay, Ta-da! 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 We will find out if these other ones will pull out. Okay, so my test here. Okay, so we got the nut in there. Make sure it's in there as far as it'll go. And the other thing would be here. So, let's see, push this nut out of the way. So if this sits like this, it's gonna hit my pulley, I think. Okay, so I have a 5x10, a 5x16, excuse me, and a 5x10. Oh, that was a 5x10. Yeah, I don't think anything else smaller is going to work, because this is a 5. Idea thoughts here. Hoping I don't smear paint, but when in doubt, get a bigger fucking tool. Let's cut them down. Why not? We want them to fit, right? I think these are pretty fucking cool. I think that'll stand to what I want them to do. I think I need a net. I keep dropping everything. Okay, so if I push this out, and so we can see that we need to lose a couple of threads. This just isn't quite long enough, so if I had like maybe a 13 or a 12, it would work best. I don't have that, so yes. When in doubt, get the Dremel. Remember, you're cutting metal. Metal does get hot, so beware if you do something like this. I should probably be using pliers to get metal down. Remember to always wear your safety equipment. Well, next time I gotta make sure it's not so crooked. But I think it'll do the job. It's a little bit longer than what we needed. Yep. If you don't have a Dremel, you can always grind things down. So see how it just barely sticks out here? See that? The biggest concern was that when we laid this on top of the pulley itself, it would rub. So using such a long bolt wasn't going to work. Oh, there it goes! Yay! Alright. You guys can see it. Much better. Remember, any tools that you use a proper safety equipment, including, I don't know if you guys saw the sparks, but eye protection. Those sparks are actually little pieces of metal. They come towards your eyeball, it's gonna frickin' hurt. Okay, number 3. Ta-da! Forgot to tell you guys what I'm blessed for, or what I'm grateful for. I'm grateful for a great family, and I'm grateful that I have knowledge into trying this and wanting to help others do this. I'm grateful for you. You guys see that? That was crazy. That made me flip pretty hard. Excuse me while it's
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy.
Well,
if I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic.
My light's loose.
You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking.
Yo, go in your home.
With me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
Pretty happy that it caught this now. No more problems.
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You were not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
This is not short person approved.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Stay tuned for another episode.
Weld the world.
Well, the world.